Hello! I've been worrying about the state of the world and going, I can't make a video, not with the world as it is. The world's so bad and bad things keep happening is the problem. So every time another bad thing happens, I think, oh, and it's worse. But you can't live life like that, really. So there are terrible things in the world and there's probably not much you can do about it, except for this one thing. Don't make it worse. So the way that you make things not worse is to maybe make them a little bit better. So try and make things a little bit better, incrementally. Try to make things not horrible, and that's how you make things better. And so that it doesn't all turn into a big pile of nastiness. But I was wondering about this as well, because a lot of people have done things about this. The Mandela Effect, you've probably heard of that. It's where a lot of people think that Nelson Mandela, who was actually the president of South Africa, but had fought for many years against apartheid, died in Robben Island in the 1990s, and he didn't do that. He lived. He was the president in this universe, but people say, but I remember him dying, so that's evidence that we're not in the same universe that we were in before, which possibly, well, I mean, I remember it in that particular way, but so that's probably my universe, but other people, maybe not. For instance, Kit Kat, a lot of people think that it had a little hyphen between the kit and the cat. I thought it did, so I'm obviously from that universe, because it doesn't have that at all. Other things as well. I found out yesterday, there's a lot of stuff about the Beatles and the Sgt. Pepper's album coming out now. Well, it's not coming out now, it came out 50 years ago. 50 years ago the other day. And one of the tracks is Within You, Without You. Now, I was absolutely convinced it was Within, Without You. I had to look it up. So in my universe, it was Within, Without You, which I think is a better title than Within You, Within You, Without You. Is that it? It's difficult to get your mouth around that. Within, Without You. It sums it up without the extra you. But that's just me, that was my universe. There's other things going on. There's, I mean, many things. I had a big list of them. I can't remember what they were. A lot of people say that maybe it's because they did actually create a black hole in the big, at CERN, the Large Hadron Collider. Yeah, that's another thing. Hadron, it's a hadron. But a lot of people say it's a hadron. But maybe that's because they were in the Hadron Universe. I'm in the Hadron Universe. That's why. Like, GIFs and GIFs, what is it? I'm in the GIF universe. If you're in the GIF universe, that's fine. But in my universe, GIF was a lemon thing. It's sort of squirty lemon that you use to make lemon juice if you didn't have actual fresh lemons. And it was also a thing that you used to clean. It was like a little thing that you used to clean things. Now, I know the GIF universe where you use GIF to clean things, it was like an oven cleaner thing. Now it's called SIF, but that's because of the EU and everywhere else it was called SIF, and so they changed it here. I know that. It's the same as, like, I know that Marathon is now called Snickers. That's not because I changed universes, it's because they just, whoever, the Mars company obviously decided that Snickers was a more universal stuff and everyone knew what Snickers was. I think Marathon's better. Really. But I don't know what they're thinking anyway, because it doesn't make any sense. They want Snickers everywhere, but the Mars bars that we have in Britain are not the same as the Mars bars in America, so that makes no sense. But they're not sure it's anything to do with the Mandela Effect as such. But I do feel that I'm probably in a different universe. I mean, there's so many things. I had a big list of them. What was it? I can't remember. It's like they're fading away. The things that I know that was what it was. It was just like, but this is, it's definitely not the same universe. If it was the same universe, then we wouldn't have these people in power being all horrible. But then maybe we would, because that's just the way of the world. Horrible things happen. It's just, what's going on? What's going on? Anyway, as I said, I had a big list, but it's faded away. In the universe that we've moved from, that's where my list is. I left it there. So in that universe, I had a massive list, and this was an amazing video. But in this universe, obviously, this is what you get. Yeah, it is what it is. So if you want to list in comments all the different things that you think, yes, that used to be the case, that's not it anymore. How is that different? It's definitely different. This is what they are and I'll go, yes, that's true. And maybe I'll remember what it was that's changed so fundamentally about the way things are. And I'll get on that anyway. So, okay, this has been fun. For me, anyway. Bye-bye.